Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Jensen. I'm the president of Terrestrial X. A few years ago during COVID, we had some issues, the supply chain issues, getting parts for the energy sector, compression, power generation, so on and so forth. So during that time, we started dabbling into 3D printing additive, essentially to try to figure out where we could fix this issue with on-demand manufacturing. With all the research and stuff that we did, we ended up finding that the INTAMSYS 610 HT was the machine to make successful engineered products, especially with peak GF, peak CF, all those high temperature applications fit really well into natural gas compression sector, and that's where we essentially started. And then we started out in a 14,000 square foot facility, and then we expanded to a 32,000 square foot facility. We have 15 machines, and essentially almost every 3 to 6 months we're ordering more machines as our capacity keeps growing. The biggest thing I find about using the 610 HTs or any INTAMSYS printer by any means is the use of ease when we are doing these slicing. The other really good thing about the 610, especially, as you can see behind me, the large build volume. That gives us the ability to nest multiple parts into one shot to lower our costs for our customers. The nice thing about it is we can print very complex parts and be able to get that support removal out of there. I'd like to share a few examples that I can share. Essentially, Peak is probably our biggest one that we print the most of. We print packing, rider rings, so on and so forth. So this is a good example of a riding ring for a natural gas compressor. Second one that we use lots of is Altum. It's a relatively inexpensive material compared to Peak. So we use that lots with tooling, jigs and fixtures, molds, so on and so forth. Very strong, rigid parts with the reduced cost of Peak. So the third example that we have is for the medical field. We do quite a bit of essentially tooling for doctors or pre-surgical planning to be able to hold certain instruments, so on and so forth. So currently, we've already established a 3D printing service. Our goal is to keep growing our capacity, so we're hoping by that 6 months time from now, we'll have double the capacity of what we have now. Like I said, as demand grows, we grow with them. And when we take you in the back to show you our facility, you'll see how much room we actually have to grow and to keep scaling. And that's the nice thing about INTAMSYS printers, is to be able to make that phone call and order a machine and have it here within 30 days. I would like to thank INTAMSYS for their continued support as we continue to scale and learn as we grow.